Congratulations on taking the first steps toward achieving your academic goals. After completing the AACC admissions application and setting up your My AACC account, one of the next steps is to complete the AACC scholarship application. The scholarship application can be found at www.aacc.edu/scholarships. That's the page we're on right now. Once you get to that page, click on the Apply Now on My AACC button. This will take you to the My AACC login page. Log in to My AACC. Once you log in, it will take you to the next landing page. On this page, click on Apply for AACC Scholarships, and then select the academic year by using the drop-down menu and click Submit. You will then be taken to the welcome page of the scholarship application. Take the time to read this page. It has instructions and helpful tips. Click on the Next Page button to start your application. Remember to read each question carefully. Again, each question is important, so make sure you are reading it carefully. Click on the Next Page button when you are ready to move to the next section. However, the application will give you the opportunity to go back and make sure you have answered each question in this section carefully. Go back through and check your answers. Then, again, click Next Page. Again, make sure you are reading each of these questions carefully and answering the questions thoroughly. When you are done with the questions on this page, click Next Page. Check your answers and click Next Page again. The essays are a very important factor of your application. Read the questions and answer them thoroughly. Keep in mind that the application will time out, so it may be helpful to type your essays in a separate program and then copy and paste the answers that you have back into the scholarship application. When you complete the essay portion, you will click on Save Answers. This will take you to the application review. Use this opportunity to make sure there aren't any other corrections that need to be made before you submit the application. If there are corrections to be made, click on the Go Back and Make Corrections to My Application button. If there are no corrections to be made, click on the Submit this application to the Financial Aid Office. Click Submit at the bottom of the page, and you will now be taken to a confirmation page stating that your application has been successfully submitted. Remember to read through the information on the confirmation page and click OK at the bottom when you are done. That's it. Your application can now be reviewed and considered by the scholarship committee.